In this video, I'll show you how to download Google Chrome on a Mac. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like. Let's get started. First, open Safari, since Google Chrome isn't available on the App Store. In the search bar, type Google Chrome and hit enter. Make sure to click the official link from google.com. Once you're on the official page, scroll down a bit and click the blue Download Chrome button. Now the download will begin. To check the progress, click the download icon in the top right of Safari. Once it's finished, click the downloaded file to open it. A new window will pop up. Now simply drag the Chrome icon into the applications folder. It may take a minute or so to copy the files. Once that's done, go to Launchpad, the rocket icon. Find Google Chrome and open it. You might also use the Spotlight search by clicking the magnifying glass in the top bar and typing Google Chrome. The first time you open it, your Mac will ask you to confirm. Just click Open. Now Chrome is ready to use. You can sign into your Google account to sync bookmarks and settings. And that's it. If this helped, consider leaving a like. Thanks for watching. Peace.